All right, honey. First ride on the new bike. You excited?
Yeah.
Really?
I'm nervous.
Why are you nervous?
Because you're going to do a wheelie and I'm going to fly off.
No, I'm not. Are you hanging on to me? You're making me nervous. Not hanging on.
Break.
What?
Nothing.
Did you just tell me to brake?
I was getting nervous. You were close to that guy.
All right, honey, you gotta hang on when we start to go so I don't have to feel nervous about you falling off. Yeah, I don't know, it just feels so light and like maneuverable. It almost feels like a mix between a sports bike and like a, you know, like my old bike and like a dirt bike or something.
Oh, yeah.
It's sweet. You can just kind of sit up easier, can't you?
Yeah.
I can tell. Look at the two little mopeds.
Corvette up there.
That's a Camaro.
So what brand is Camaro?
Shut up. You're joking, right?
It's a Chevrolet, right?
Honey, you're joking, right? You're joking. Making me nervous back there. What are you talking about? What brand is a Camaro?
Is that a Grom?
No. What do you think? First ride on the new bike. Did you like it?
I liked it.
Alrighty.
You even did a wheelie.
Barely.
And barely.
Good stuff, honey.
Alright, have a great day. You too.
If my backpack gets covered in eggs, I'm gonna be mad.
Did you hear me?
No.
Any break, I owe you a...
Ooh. Okay. Deal. That's on camera, so you can't break the deal.
No.
I'm just gonna ride as rough as I can after
No.
after we get those eggs.
No, you can't. It's not part of the deal. Girl, put your record on.
Show me your favorite song. I won't do it.
You just did it!
Oh, there's the popo. You know how to do that, right?
I just did it!
Okay, geez, you're blowing my ears out.
Corvette.
That's not a Corvette, honey.
Yes, it is!
No, it's not.
Are you sure?
Yes.
It sounds like a helicopter.
It does. It does indeed.
Check it out.
Okay.
Honey, there's doggies.
Whoa.
Honey, there's doggies.
Oh, wow.
There's like a iron dog swimming challenge.
All right, let's go check it out. This is what's so awesome about bikes. This parking right here. Well, that's kind of cool. Wanna hop off?
Honey,
What?
what key do I use?
It's that tiny little gold one.
Honey.
Hmm.
I'm hot.
I know you are.